Altcoin season is in full swing right now, and in today's video I need to talk about what I see happening for the altcoin market and for Bitcoin moving forward. But more importantly, I am going to show you exactly how I am taking action in the market right now. In yesterday's video I showed you a very clear setup and I acted on that setup, and I will show you the actual outcome here in today's video, and also I will update you on what my next major move is going to be in the market, guys. So you will want to watch this video from the beginning until the end. Very important, so stick around. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys, and let us quickly talk about Bitcoin in the grand scheme of things here before I enter into altcoins and I talk about exactly my trades and what I am intending on doing, my next major move in the market. So first, for Bitcoin, you can see that after having a swing high, after meeting resistance at my orange line at 119,800, rejection as expected, and now we're starting to grind upwards for Bitcoin here. And this is good. Bitcoin is having a little bit of a breather, and remember, the Bitcoin dominance was at a high price point, or sorry, the Bitcoin dominance was at a high percentage. And I was saying since the last 6 months, just wait until the Bitcoin dominance drops a little bit. With these Bitcoin prices that we're seeing right now, altcoins are going to go absolutely nuts. And this is what you're seeing right now, guys. This is altcoin season. I think that this is going to continue. I have a very important chart I need to show you, which also paints the same picture. But a lot of people are asking me, like, why are altcoins going up like this? And a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines. This is the reason why I was holding my positions. You know that my dynamic strategies here, they were down almost 2 million. They were down almost 2 million. Now they're up 1.3 million. So what is that? A difference of like 3.3. And yes, it was painful. Ethereum, it was down like several hundred K. Solana was down so much, and I still held because I believed and I knew that once the Bitcoin dominance started to go down here and the optimism comes back into the market, you are going to make up for all of the gains that you have seen here. And yes, at this point, this is very interesting. Remember, my Ethereum strategy, it was down several hundred% just a week ago, 2 weeks ago. My Bitcoin strategy was up, let's say 200%. Now it is starting to catch up, guys. Look at this. The Ethereum strategy, the main one that was down so much, it's up 125%. But I will talk more about this in a little bit. But I just want to say that I think that the altcoin season that you're seeing right now, it is going to continue, and we are absolutely taking full advantage of this. I'm showing you my trades, and we have been extremely profitable here recently with my trades. So I'm gonna show you and continue to show you what I am personally doing. Just remember that nothing is financial advice. This is just my own opinion, and I'm just showing you my own trades. But hopefully you get to learn something from it. Now, for Ethereum has gone on an absolute blast here recently, going up, hitting my resistance level at 3K. And I said that once we broke through this yellow dotted line, things were going to go absolutely crazy. And this was the line in the sand. And then this one at 2,850. And after that, it has just been like a straight rocket ship up to, we're about to cross 3,500 right now for Ethereum, guys. So yeah, looking really, really good for Ethereum. And let me show you the most important chart. This is also Ethereum. I showed you this yesterday. And this is on the monthly time frame. So this has been forming since several years. Since 2020, this has been forming. And look at this massive triangle, guys. Now, if we break through it, look at this, guys. We're knocking on it right now. If we manage to see a breakout from this, now the bears are going to try to defend this heavily. You can see we got rejected multiple times in the past, but the bears are going to try to defend this. But if we manage to break through this, guys, I think that Ethereum and the rest of the altcoin market, because Ethereum is the driver of the entire altcoin market right now, if we manage to see this break, then things are going to get very, very, very interesting. So this is the most important chart that I am continuously watching right now. I'm updating you on every kind of movement that you're seeing right now, but it looks like this is about to break through. Let's see if we can get a breakout, if we can see a wick. We need to close a monthly candle essentially above this point. So let's see if July can close above this. and we have another 2 weeks. So that is very important. I will update you on Twitter, and more importantly, also on this channel, guys, you will want to activate the bell icon, subscribe, activate the bell so you get notified as soon as I release these time-sensitive videos where I go over everything like these breakout trades, my own trades, and everything else. Okay, so for the rest of the altcoin market, Solana also having a nice pump, 178. So Solana, I think, is going to continue here. Doge is knocking right now on a massive point of resistance. Now, if we can clear this point, then I am expecting a move towards 30 cents for Doge. XRP, since breaking through the resistance right here, you can see how important these orange lines are, guys. You can see we went up here, we went down a little bit, went up, went down, had some trouble breaking through it, went down support, and now we are about to test, or we are testing currently for XRP, 3.27 cents or $3.27. And yeah, this looks good also. I think that this is going to continue. And like, I'm exposed to XRP, I'm exposed to ADA, I'm exposed to Dogecoin, I'm exposed to Cardano. Look at this, Cardano also wants to break through the 80-cent level. So everything looks extremely good here, guys. It's crazy. And finally, I did enter into a trade for Pepe. You know that I've been wanting to enter into a trade for Pepe. I did that yesterday, guys. So the individual trade I entered for Pepe, I said that we're gonna take, or I am going to take profit first here at this orange line. It is 1390. And I showed you everything in yesterday's video, guys. If you had the bell icon activated, if you watched that, then you saw that trade. Very profitable trade so far, guys. We went up. First point of take profit was here. And then once we hit my point here, you can see exactly on the dollar. And that is exactly when the 3,590 USDT profit was taken here. Let me see here. Where is the order? Let me see. Do I have the order somewhere? Trigger order? Yeah, okay. So here we have it. Yeah. So you can see it took it closed 50% of the trade at 1397, right at the absolute peak right here. Even the wick, part of the wick here, is where it took that profit, and then started to go down, and now we're making another move here. Now the rest of this trade, guys, let me see, the rest of this trade is going to be, the profit is going to be taken at a much higher price, at here 1690. Okay, so I'm waiting for that, and this is another, if we go up from this point, is another 23 10x leverage, 230%. But anyway, 50% has been taken, and then we move on. We continue. We look at these trading setups. This to me was more or less like a no-brainer setup to get in here in a bullish asset as we were breaking through the line here. And you can do the same thing for Doge, guys. You can do the same thing for Doge. It is looking also, yeah, probably Doge is going to be one of these ones that I do where we break through this point. I want to see this as support, and then we can get in here and then ride it towards higher targets. But I will update you on everything, guys, as I always do. But yeah, just an update for everyone that also got into a trade here. I've taken 50% exactly as the plan was. We stick to the plan, guys. And also at the same time, I added to my trading strategies. First, if you want to join the individual trades, we're going to do more and more and more and more of these ones. I'm going to continue to show you what I am doing. Yeah, you need to get your account, exchange account ready right now if you want to also, if you're an experienced trader, if you want to use these ones. So you have the links down here. You got amazing offers right now. So for Pionex first, the best exchange, you have this link right here. Make sure to click that one. And then for VX, you have an incredible offer right here as well. And the best offer currently is over on TapBit. So you have all of the links here, TapBit, VX, Pionex. Make sure to get accounts on all of these exchanges if you're an experienced trader and you want to use very good trading platforms, my favorite trading platforms. So you have that, because the next trades are going to be on VX and on TapBit as well. But for my trading strategies, this is a huge, huge milestone, guys. First, yeah, like I showed you, the Ethereum trade is up incredibly much now. And it's a big thing because it's not easy to hold through, you know, minus several $100,000. It's not easy. I mean, it's hard, but I just had conviction, and now everything is working out very, very well. Now, what I will say is that I have updated many of the even for the main coins here, you can see Ethereum, I've updated the range. So whenever you go into a new trade right now, if you open up the Ethereum strategy, Solana strategy, or any of these ones, it is going to have the updated range. Now for me, I still have the old range here, so you can decide for yourself if you want to update it or not. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is because my old range is up to 4,472 on the first Ethereum bot, and for the second one, it is up to 3,005. So yeah, we're approaching, this is about to reach the top of the range here. So yeah, I will probably update this range right here. Let me do it right now. What is it? 1733, 43. Let me just copy this one. 1733. So I'll update the range on this one. 1733. And then the amount of grids was the same. So I will go here and then you can choose if you want to reinvest or not. Normally I would do it, but for these particular strategies, I just want to show you how much we can make like over time. So I'm just gonna do not reinvest here, and then we do it like that. Okay, so there we go. I updated the range for the second Ethereum strategy here, so we can have a little bit of more of a ride on this strategy as well. So that is all great, but still it's up 165%, so that's good. But yeah, these ones are doing extremely well. And yeah, make sure to go and check out the range here. You have the link in the description of the video. You have it right here. Also, I added a few more coins, guys. I added, let me see, SQD and Res I added, and Pump. So these ones I added, so I should probably say new, and this is gonna be with red text. So there we go. Added these ones. If you want to check them out, you have the links here in the description. But also I have the Pengo. I have for many of the coins that you've been requesting. Many of the prices have been updated here, so you can use them if you want. But what I will say also, in my bull market portfolio, it is also doing really, really well. Remember when this used to be at minus almost 200K, now it's up 90K. And a huge part of that is because I added more also yesterday to, let me see, to Pepe here. So you can see Pepe has been doing really, really good. And I have 100K here. A biggest portion of my bull market portfolio is actually in Pepe. I think Pepe is going to continue to do well. I wish I had more in XRP, of course. I wish I had more in Ethereum, but it's okay, guys. I think that this, in the end, the bull market portfolio here is going to continue to do well, and I will update you on everything that I'm doing. Now, before things go absolutely crazy, guys, if you want to get into the trading strategies before Ethereum goes absolutely crazy here and goes and takes the rest of the altcoins with it, you have the links in the description, guys. But I've been saying that time is running out, yeah, I mean, we're gonna most likely break through this point. So we will see, guys, how this triangle is gonna behave. But if you want to use the same settings that I am doing for the trading strategies, make sure to first go down to the description of this video. You have all of the tutorials up here. And then on Pionex, click on this link right here to sign up, and then you can claim the bonuses. And then you have my main coins with the updated price range, and then you have the rest of my bull market portfolio as well. If you want to use it for any other coin, over 180 other coins like Pump, like Pengu, like all of these ones, you have the link right here as well. So that is great, and that is what I am doing, so make sure to check that out. So President Trump yesterday, just a little bit of quick news here. He came out and said that, or there were reports that he was going to fire Jerome Powell. And this was most likely just to test the market. The market did not react good to this. So what happened is that Trump came out and said that they're actually not true, these reports. He is not going to fire Jerome Powell. Now, if the market reacted positively, and some of the markets like crypto did react pretty positively, but the market in general, there was a lot of negative sentiment. It did not work out, and so he's not going to fire him. He's not going to attempt to fire him. Also, the massive Bitcoin whale, who owns billions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, is transferring these ones around, and he's most likely going to sell these ones. So that is something that's happening. It's spooking the market a little bit, but nonetheless, we're seeing massive inflows to Bitcoin still. And look at this, guys, the altcoin market in 2 words. Look at this. Oh boy. Yeah, so yeah, the altcoin market, it looks like it wants to have the next leg upwards. And what you're seeing right now, guys, I think is going to be dwarfed by whatever is going to come. But we need to be prepared right now. And I need to figure out what the next major trades I am going to take is going to be. But as always, guys, I am going to let you know whenever I take new trades. The only thing you need to do is subscribe and activate the bell icon. That's the most important thing, that you have the bell activated so you get these time-sensitive videos as soon as I release them. Guys, that is what I got for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.